There's nothing more frustrating on a freezing morning than a diesel engine that just cranks and cranks without ever firing up. If your dash is showing the P0381 code, your glow plug heater indicator circuit is having a meltdown, and your cold starts are about to get a lot more difficult, because diesel engines rely on extreme compression rather than spark plugs to ignite fuel. They need the extra heat from glow plugs to get the cylinders warm enough to start when the metal block is ice cold. The glow plug indicator on your dashboard is not just a light. It is a vital signal telling you that the preheating process is happening. When the powertrain control module detects a fault in this specific indicator circuit, it often disables the glow plug system entirely as a safety measure, which is why your car might blow excessive smoke or refuse to start when it is chilly outside. You should begin by checking the simplest things first, like a blown fuse or a burnt-out bulb in the instrument cluster, because if the circuit is broken at the dash, it can sometimes trip the whole system. A reliable way to test if the glow plugs themselves are the issue is to carefully remove them and apply 12 volts to see if they actually glow red hot. But be extremely careful as they reach intense temperatures almost instantly. If the light stays on all the time or never comes on at all, you are likely looking at a faulty glow plug relay or a control module that is stuck. Using a digital volt/ohm meter to check for continuity through the relay and making sure the engine coolant temperature sensor is giving the computer the right data will help you pinpoint whether it is an electrical break or a computer logic error. Getting this fixed quickly will save your battery and starter motor from the massive strain of those long, difficult cranking sessions every morning.